Honor Play runs on a custom Android skin EMUI 8.2 on top of Android Oreo 8.1. Now this is a heavily designed skin for all of the Huawei and Honor devices, but here with the Honor Play you get the Hisilicon Kirin 970 processor, which is a flagship grade chipset. Now we already talked a lot about this. Now with this device you get the EMUI 8.2, which is a custom Android skin, comes with a lot of features, so let's take a look at all of these. The 6.3-inch Full HD Plus resolution 19:9 ratio IPS LCD display also carries a notch on top. Now if you don't like the notch, just head over to the display settings. They can also turn off the notch manually. Now if you don't like the color and want brighter color and punchy color on your display, just head over to the display settings and choose the vivid color option. They can also choose the color tones to warmer, colder or the default. Also there is a eye comfort mode which you can manually schedule, which is best in use at time of reading and at night. To customize the home screen, you have to press and hold the home screen to get the wallpaper. So you get a lot of pre-installed wallpaper on the Honor Play. Now also this device supports the gyroscope live wallpapers, which we already experienced before on the Honor 10. The Aurora light wallpapers, which changes accordingly to sliding left to right. Now this is an interesting wallpaper which is present also on the Honor 10. Now there you get the widget option, and also you can set the transition for the home screen. Now going to the home screen settings, you can change the home screen layout. Also you can lock down the home screen layout and auto align all of the application installed on this device. Now also you can choose the badge app icon for all of the application notifications. There you get the home screen loop and the Google Feed option. Now if you don't like the home screen layout or the ISO style UI here, now just head over to the display settings. Then you can choose the home screen layout to the drawer option, which will give you more familiar Android user experience. If you want some changes on the notification tray, just tap on the edit icon and add the toggles you want on the notification tray. Now also you can do some changes on the notification and status bar by going into the apps and notification settings. Here you can display the network speed, pulse, the notification ID for all of the notification. Also you can choose the battery percentage to show on the status bar, and also you can choose the notification to light up the screen whenever you get a notification on the lock screen. And going to the application setting, you can manually choose all of the application notifications to show up the lock screen, or if you want privacy, so you can also do not allow the display notification on the lock screen. Honor Play also features the Wi-Fi Plus option, which helps the device to shift between the Wi-Fi and mobile data wherever it gets better connection and speed. For security and privacy, the Honor Play carries a fingerprint sensor on back. Now also with this device you get the software-based face unlock, which was as fast as the OnePlus 6. Now if you didn't watch the comparison with the OnePlus 6, just click the I button on the top right corner and watch that video. Now here the fingerprint sensor not in use to unlock the device on the Honor Play. Also you can answer to call, stop, alarm, slow down the notification panel. Also you can browse through photos and take photo by using the fingerprint sensor on the Honor Play. Now also you can lock and unlock the application by using the facial unlock on the Honor Play, which is really great to have on the feature. Now also you can use the smart Bluetooth unlock feature, means you can unlock your phone by connecting to the any of your Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speaker or a smartwatch, which is really handy feature to have on the Honor Play. Now also there you get the private space. Now this is more like a guest mode present on normal Android stock Android devices, but you can assist another fingerprint ID. Now also on the Xiaomi phones you get the second space, which is also copied from the EMUI, and there you get the private space on the Honor Play. As you can see, you can turn on it by just assist another fingerprint ID, which will allow the device to not showing all of your photos present on the normal device storage. So if you don't want to people mess with your personal files and messages, just use the private space on your Honor phone. Honor Play carries dual AI powered camera on the rear side, where you get AI scene detection mode and a lot of camera features. Now if you want to know more about the camera features on the Honor Play, just click the I button on the top right corner and watch the in-depth camera review on our channel. Unfortunately, the audio through single bottom firing speaker present on the Honor Play is not that loud, but also with this device you get the 3.5mm headphone jack listening to music. Now going to the sound settings, you also find an option which turns on automatically whenever you're listening through the 3.5mm headphone jack. This is called the Huawei Hisilicon sound, where you can listen up to 3D audio effect, and there you can choose between the profiles, and there you can also set the natural sound effect or the auto tune, or you can also just choose the headphone type which you just plug into the 3.5mm headphone jack on the Honor Play, And also you can choose the profiles or the equalizer and set the bass effect which you want on your earphones. Now also there is a feature called party mode. If you have another Honor device, you can connect through it and play a single music and make an audio channel. Now there you can connect 5 devices at a time and play a single music on 5 of the phones. Honor Play also packs some of the additional feature here, like the high touch. To use this one, you need to install the Amazon Assistant here. Whenever you find any type of product or you want to know about something, just press the two of your thumbs and it will search the product on Amazon and show the information to you. Now also with this device you get the flip to mute option and pick up the phone to raise the volume down whenever you get an incoming call, and also using the gravity sensor it will open the screen for the lock screen of your device. So they also get this feature to lift up your phone and also flip down the phone to stop the ringtone, and also they get the 3-finger swipe to screenshot. So they get a lot of additional things on the Honor Play which is really useful. Now also additional they you get the schedule to power on and off. So these are some of the feature, and also to use less battery you also get the simple mode which is really useful when you need more of your battery life or juice. Now also pressing down the volume key twice from the lock screen it will take a photo, which is a really great feature on the Honor Play. And going to the app twin, you can also app twin all of your social applications which you have on your phone. And if you want to use all of your phones with the notch screen, then you can also do that going into the full screen mode in the display settings. So these are some of the additional features present on the Honor Play. And then you also get the mirror share option where you can share the smaller screen video to a larger smart TV, and also can transfer your older files from your older phone to the newer one using the Huawei Share. So these are the additional features present on this device. The base variant of the Honor Play carries 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Now here the storage is UFS 2.1, which is a faster storage option, so that you don't find any type of lag or issue. But you can also use the phone manager to clean up all of the cache files and optimize the device performance. Honor Play packs a huge 3750 mAh of battery, which lasts up to 1 day easily with heavy uses. Now this device runs on Hisilicon Kirin 970, which is based on 10nm architecture, so that you can expect 1 day of battery life easily. Now also you get the smart resolution option, which will allow the device to downgrade the screen resolution to give you better battery life. Now also you get the GPU turbo with this device, which meant to be give you a stable performance with less power consumption and give you more battery life about 30 to 40 minutes. Now if you didn't watch our last gaming test video, which will definitely explain you how the power consumption comparing to the OnePlus 6. So these are the interesting features you will find on the Honor Play with the EMUI 8.2. Now if you are willing to buy one, I'm dropping all the links in the description box where you can go and easily purchase the Honor Play from Amazon. So guys, that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then definitely place a like below, subscribe to our channel for more some contents. Even you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, link given in the description. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.